It's interesting that they talk about £149 a year on average going up from October. And of course, we just had a price drop. And I think even at the time they had the price drop, they acknowledged there might be a price rise, which makes you sort of wonder why they had the price drop in the first place. And the word cap is quite confusing because it sort of feels like it's a phrase that's on your side, but in fact it's almost on the side of the energy companies, really. Now, 149 quid, you know, it's 14, a tenner a month or thereabouts. Let's look at it like that. For some people, 10 quid a month is the difference between, you know, heating and eating. There are people who don't have a spare tenner a month. And just as you've started to get your ducks in a row, suddenly along comes another rise. And at the same time, some pensioners are, of course, losing their 200 and odd quid winter fuel allowance. So it's a sort of double whammy for that particular group.
Yeah, exactly. I don't think that our political class have any idea what it's like to have to budget so tightly, and the kind of differences that, for example, losing the winter fuel allowance is going to pose for people. The reality is that these small amounts, relatively small amounts, make huge differences to people's lives. And I think we've really lost sight of that. I mean, cost of living was an issue in the election, but